Show you how to use Font Awesome. So here is the Font Awesome's website, and let me show you how I am going to use this. Here is a website that I am currently working on, and on this website you can see here are some icons. These are the icons from the Font Awesome. When you are a beginner, using Font Awesome will be a bit difficult for you. I mean, because there are no clear instructions on how to use it, and it's actually very easy to start with it. And let me show you like what I am going to do here. Instead of have a good day guys, I will put this heart icon. So let's begin from the zero ground up. I mean, I'll be opening the HTML file of my this page as well. So first of all, let's go to the Font Awesome. You search for Font Awesome and the website will open up. Now go to downloads. When you download the Font Awesome, download for pro, no, pro we want free for bed, free for desktop. I think this is what we have to do. And when we download, we extract it. Let's save the file. We will save to the desktop, and let's see, this is saved to the desktop. Let's go to the desktop and open the desktop in full, and now I will extract it. I mean, double click and it will be extracted. Why this iTunes is opening? I do not want that. Now where is this gone? This is, I think, here 5.11.2. Let me see what is the latest one. 5.12.1. I think this is all same, and I should maybe remove this one because this is already existing here. I will just, okay, now I have extracted it, and here you come. Here is this. Now from this, let's go here, right click, new folder, create new folder, call it FA, means Font Awesome. Now just copy this one and control this one, command C, control C, copy, come here and paste over here. Now they are pasted inside a common folder called FA, Font Awesome. Just copy it, command C, come back, and on my desktop I have a folder where I am creating a website, and inside this W5 or W6, I will go inside W6. You see here we have CSS folder, because when we create the websites, either we create the CSS outside or we create a folder for the CSS, and inside that we put the CSS files like this. Inside this I already have this FA folder that is containing those CSS and web fonts. So all I had to do is like command V, it will be posted, but since I already have it, I do not need it. So guys, you got the idea how I did it. I went to the Font Awesome website, I downloaded it, I extracted it to any place, then I did what? I just went inside that folder, I copied the CSS and this thing and pasted those things into a common folder and pasted that folder into my CSS folder inside my website. And now all I have to do, like here what I have done, CSS, then inside I have the Font Awesome, and inside I have the CSS. This is what we will be using, all.min.css. Now how we have to use this? We have to create a CSS link on our website. Here is my HTML file. Now here is what I have done. I will just remove it and I will redo it. I will have to write link, and it will give me suggestions what we want to use. We want to use the link for CSS. I could just use this as well, no worries. Now what we have to do, we have to write the name of that folder. I mean, we are not doing any magic, we are just writing the things as they are. CSS, what is CSS? CSS here is this folder. Inside this we have FA, so we have to put FA. Inside that FA, what we have another folder CSS, that is what we want to use, CSS, and inside that we have this file all.min.css. We could use this also, but what is the benefit of this file? This is compressed. This is, let me show you how it is made, like this. There is no extra space in it, it is all compressed, so it loads very fast. That is the only reason to use this one, all.min.css. That's what I did here, all.min.css. Now let me see if my website can still load the icons. What I want to do on this website, instead of have a good day guys, I will use, and it's inside W5, I will need to open W6. Okay, I will do here, I will come to the footer. I have made some website tutorials, guys. Have a look at them, and you will learn how to make the websites. It's easy. It's no big thing. Now all we have to do, how we have to do this. Go back to this Font Awesome website and look for icons, or you could just post it here, paste it here, and click it over here. Okay, let it load. It will take a little time. Bear with me. Please load. Now put HEART, heart. That is what I am going to put. Heart means love, so I will use simple heart icon. If I click on this, now look for that name over here. Just wait and watch. That should load. That is FAR. No, FAS means simple. For Font Awesome simple. FAR means Font Awesome regular. FAB means Font Awesome brands. Copy HTML. I just copied it, and what we have to do, paste it over here, and now come to the website here that we were working on. You see the heart. It is this easy. You can use a lot of icons. You do not have to like upload the images. I mean, this is the standard. I mean, this makes it easy to use, and it is the best way. So guys, if you like this, give me a like and subscribe, and I make a lot of tutorials, so keep kept updated. Get I mean, just uh, if you are learning, post some comments also, so I can know like what are the difficulties you are facing. I mean, I can guide with you, you with all those things. I have learned these things the hard way, and I know all the things by hand, by heart. Thank you guys. Have a great day.